Hey guys, I'm back again with a new PPT that describes about the next step of agriculture for those who are pursuing a past in the same field. What will be the next step for earning more money means more salary? Don't worry, I will explain in this PPT. So let's start this. As you already know, the technology has infiltrated all forms of business and daily life. As you already know, that technology has completely changed our life with better tools and comfort and many more. Okay, I'm not going to discuss all these things. So it is no surprise that the agriculture industry is also embracing the digital life. As you already know, why not in agriculture industry? Because technology has changed the completely. And if we discuss about the food produced locally reduces waste and returns agriculture back to its roots. Smaller scale produce that is grown to local demand. Now we might be about to return to tradition by utilizing technology that tips agriculture into the realms of science fiction. As you see in the image, this is the left side image. You can see that a robotic arm is there that is completely working on the soil and completely arranging all the plants and soil. And the right side picture, as you can see, that drones are spraying all over the crops. So that is all over the technology. Now if we talk about the I'm just taking a simple example of robotic harvest. So automated production is nothing new to the food industry. It has been an essential step of mass production for decades. Now automation has spread to the fields. Today robotic fruits harvesters recognize which part of the produce to pick to best preserve the plant, future proofing crops and minimizing waste. A robotic harvesting machine, have to choose means which fruit it has to pick and which not. Okay, let's see. It will be clear in this video. Let's see in the video. So this is the tomato harvesting machine. It will only pick the red tomato. Let's see in the video. So that will be completely done on the sensors. So how can we apply the sensors? How can we create the machine? How can we create the sensor, apply the sensor onto this? This is all these things we will look. So this is all the work is done by the harvesting machine. So these all things will be created in the software. Which software it will be created, as you can see in these images. So that robotic arm will be created and it has to movement, that how it will be moved and how it will behave as a sensor. So we all these things will be done in the software only. So as you can see in this picture also, that how it is created, and it is very simple, nothing to worry about. Okay, so guys, please be updated, subscribe my channel because I'm coming with the solvers tutorial very soon. It will be updated. Also click on the notification icon for the latest update. Thank you.